In this video, I will show you how to export a sales report to CSV in Square. First, log into your Square account. Once you're logged in, you will see your main dashboard. Now, go to the left side of your screen and look for the Sales option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Item Sales. Once you're on the item sales page, you will see all your sales data displayed in a chart and list format. At the top right corner of the screen, you will find an export button. Click on it. A small drop down will appear giving you two export options: Summary CSV or Details CSV. After choosing your preferred option, the file will automatically download to your computer in CSV format, ready for you to open or import into your accounting tools. And that's how to export a sales report to CSV in Square.